Today, in this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Macau using the payment method bank transfer. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. Once you've done that, you should see a country. Click country and scroll down and look for Macau. You can click the search and type that one in. Under Macau, you should see payment method. Click payment method and look for bank transfer. So you should see we found 3 Bitcoin exchanges in Macau that accepts bank transfer. They are BTCC, OKCoin, and Huobi. You can click the green button to buy Bitcoin with BTC, OKCoin, and Huobi. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information about my video and what Bitcoin is, you can go in the description and look for the blog, or go to the Weird Coins website. And I'll see you on my next video.